Join me for How Does Your Garden Grow? We will explore a range of mixed media techniques, take a walk in nature and create unique shapes and symbols, and then transfer this into a background page, adding colour and more mark makings and our go-to marks. We will then be creating a simple image from the background and having fun with more mark making and colour. Hi, welcome to How Does Your Garden Grow? I'm Amanda and I'm going to take you on a journey into nature and diving into our creativity. I'm so glad you could join me as a mixed media artist. I love using all of my supplies and playing with new supplies and looking to see how I can use them in different ways. We'll be taking it at your own pace. As a self-directed course, you get to come back and try everything over again using different supplies. So I'd love to see how you get on, and you'll be able to join us in the private Facebook group and share what you've been learning. So it'll be great to have you on this journey.